for apples so juicy and bright. B is for balloons that float out of sight. C is for cookies with chocolate inside. D is for dragons with wings open wide. E is for elephants, big and so strong. F is for frogs who croak a fun song. G is for giraffes with necks reaching high. H is for helicopters zooming through sky. I is for igloos made out of snow. J is for jackets when cold winds blow. K is for kites that dance in the breeze. L is for leaves that fall from the trees. M is for monkeys who swing and play. N is for nests where birds gently stay. O is for ocean so deep and blue. P is for penguins in tuxedos too. Q is for queens with crowns on their heads. R is for rabbits in soft grassy beds. S is for stars that twinkle at night. T is for trains that chug out of sight. U is for umbrellas in colors so bright. V is for volcanoes with lava and light. W is for whales who sing in the sea. X is for xylophones played musically. Y is for yawns at the end of the day. Z is for zebras who gallop and play.